There it go. Yep. Told you I was gonna get my side saddle. And when I say I'm gonna do something, 11 times out of 10, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. That's just the type of person I am. It looks combative, looks mean. I like it. So with that said, that is 6 extra rounds or shells of 12 gauge shotgun shells, ammunition, if you will. Well, that's what it is. So you think about it, that is 6 shots plus I got 7 of them down in there. Let's see if it focused. No, well, guess it ain't gonna focus, but it is what you can see it. You know, that is a unspent shell. And then if I was to keep one in the chamber, I heard these wasn't drop safe, so I tend to not keep them in the chamber with, you know, an extra second to rack, you know, rack around. But so that is 8 total at the pump with an extra 6. That is 14 rounds of shotgun shell. 14 rounds at my disposal. And I got pistols. They come with 12 and 10 and 8. The hell's wrong with me? I don't know. But it is what it is. That's what it looked like. I'm loving it. I'm really feeling it. And this one, you know, it's held on by Velcro. It's a solid metal actual frame. You know, metal back plate. And then it's held on by Velcro. And I've been, you know, sitting stuff on top of it because I ain't got no vise to put it in, but it is nice and secure. You know, it ain't just slipping off, nothing like that. So I'm liking it so far. We'll see when I'm able to get it to the range when this wintertime break, and then see how it reacts to the immense amount of recoil this thing has, and then I will let you know. I got this for 16 bucks. Couldn't get it at a discounted price because my wife's job didn't have it. So got it at a local gun store, and it was what, $16.99, 17 with North Pole's tax. But yeah, so I'm liking it so far. It's aesthetically pleasing, and yes, I could spell that. But yeah, that's what it looked like. I'm excited. Can't wait to get to the damn range, but it is what it is. You know, patience is a virtue. I ain't got too much. But yeah, so it's your boy Ant Diesel signing out. Don't study my moves, just check my footwork. Peace.